Welcome back. Now that we understand the concepts of classes and objects, let's start writing our first object-oriented code in Python. We will define a simple class to represent a student, and then create individual student objects from this template. 1. Defining the class. To define a class in Python, we use the class keyword followed by the class name, which should always start with a capital letter and a colon. For our simple example, we use the pass keyword inside the class body. This means the class currently has no attributes or methods defined, but it is a valid blueprint that can be instantiated. 2. Creating objects. We create two objects, S1 and S2, by calling the class name followed by parentheses. This process is called instantiation. Both S1 and S2 are now independent instances of the student class. Printing the type of S1 confirms it is a student object. 3. Assigning and accessing attributes. Since we didn't define any attributes in the class, we can dynamically add them to the individual objects. We use the dot notation, such as S1 name, to set and retrieve attributes. Notice that S1 and S2 have completely independent name and ID attributes, demonstrating that they are distinct objects in memory. To summarize, we've created our first class and objects. However, dynamically assigning attributes like this is messy. We need a way to initialize the objects with data immediately upon creation. This is where constructors come in. Constructors allow us to pass data to an object when we create it, ensuring objects are properly initialized. Our next lecture 16, D05. Use parameterized constructor. See you there.